friends, welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today's video is another fast and easy 5-minute recipe. Summer is coming around the corner. We don't want to spend long hours in the kitchen, so we are coming up with some simple, easy, tasty, and of course, quick recipes. We are going to be making a quick vegan avocado cold soup. Add some shredded carrots to a blender, diced tomatoes, chopped cilantro, green chili, salt, lime juice, healthy coconut milk. Blend on high speed for 2 minutes. Add avocado and blend on high speed for another minute. Creamy vegan avocado cold soup is ready. Transfer to a serving bowl. If you are running low on time, add cold coconut milk and serve immediately. Refrigerate soup until serving. Garnish with some roasted pumpkin seeds, carrots, and cilantro. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye.